Hello card enthusiasts out there, it is Dax Collects, and today what I have in front of me is the Pokemon TCG booster box for the Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolve set. Very excited to open this box up with you guys, see what I can find here. I'm looking for full arts, alternate arts, you name it. Anything that stands out from the rest and stuff like that. So it's going to be sort of different from what I'm used to doing on the channel, but I'll put this in a separate playlist away from my coin roll hunting videos here, and I'll just do a card unboxing playlist for you guys, so you can watch that if you're interested in that. But if you're not, just stick with the coins if you like. That's totally up to you. But let's go ahead and get this booster box opened up right now. It's probably easier to just use scissors, but I've always been a fan of Pokemon since I was a kid, so it still resonates to this day for me, even as an adult. So it's pretty nice to see that Pokemon is still going around after all these years. I've played through the Gen 1 games all the way up to 9, but I've missed a few generations in between. But let's go ahead and just open this up here, like so. There it is, guys. There's a total of 36 packs in this booster box. I got it from TCG Player for $124. And I've done several booster boxes in the past, but not too often, just because of how expensive these things actually are. So they're fun. It's just that game of chance, you know. You gotta open it up and hopefully you can find something cool inside. Let's go ahead and open these packs up for you guys right now. Starting with card pack number 1. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this here is any common Pokemon cards I see in here that I don't really care about, I'll just set them to the side over here. Try and stack it as organized as possible, and then any of the rare finds, I'll put them in here in this pile. So without further ado, let's get this card pack open here and see what's inside. Never played a TCG game. Wasn't really into the TCG game myself, but I played as a kid a little bit. Never really fully understood it, but it seems kind of fun. And typically for these, I kind of do it like this. So I bring four cards up front, and then so that I have the last card in the back for a surprise. Let's go ahead and flip it over. See what we got first. Calamitous Snowy Mountain. Nothing crazy. Fletchinder. Sableye. Basic Energy. Delibird. Super Rod. Love Disc. Snover. Therapeutic Energy. Choice Belt. Palmo. That's it. I skipped the Sableye Holo. It's a nice looking holo card here. You can see like the little rainbow here. That basically is just the holo design right there. So Sableye holo to begin with. Nothing spectacular there. Let's go ahead and open up this next one. Put the rare card, put the live ones up here. We'll do 3 this time. Gothita, and you can see it's the reverse holo here. Wigglytuff, looks like that one's a holo as well. So it's these two here. All right, Basic Energy, Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff, Palmy, Toxicroak, Electrode, Vigoroth, Gothitelle. Okay. Number 3. Actually, let me just try and just do it without putting any cards up front. So let's just start from the top. Hoppip, Makuhita, Pincurchin, Dino, Spidops, Reversal Energy, Passimian, Reverse Hollow Wingull, okay. And it looks like another Reverse Hollow Arctibax. And a Tinkaton. Looks like a Tinkaton rare here. I think it's just all hollow here, including the border. And then just a basic energy. So it seems like it ends with basic energy. So it's very weird. I'm not used to doing it like this. So far nothing too spectacular. So I guess I just have to move one up front and that's it. It'll give me the basic energy. Alright. Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Dunsparce, Tinkatuff, Bravery Charm, Gothorita, Reverse Hollow Choice Belt, and a Charcadet. Reverse Hollow as well. I guess they come with 2 Reverse Hollows for each. And then here's the rare. Ooh. Now that's a good pull right there. And a Hydreigon Hollow. Very cool. That's the best pull so far. Number 5. Pack number 5. Okay, just one, that's it. Basic Energy, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff, Therapeutic Energy, Choice Belt, Palmo, Reverse Hollow Luxray. There we go, guys. Look at that. Meowscarada EX. Very cool card right there. And we still have one behind it. What's it gonna be? It's just a Mimikyu. Mimikyu rare, I believe. But there we go, guys. Best pull so far of the booster box. So, as you can see, I have it laid out. The commons are here. The rares or uncommons are here. And then the really nice finds are over here. So we're on to number 6. Alright, guys. Love to see the Meowscarada EX card there. Very cool. One and done. We got Basic Energy, Rellor, Tadbulb, Frigibax, Tandemaus, Mismagius, Primeape, Ramblegast, Tyrol Reverse Hollow, Lost Chief Reverse Hollow, and a Hariyama Rare. Okay. Hariyama Rare Hollow here. Cool. Number 7. Let me know your guys' best pulls from the TCG sets. If you had to name one of your best pulls, let me know in the comments here. Starting with Basic Energy, Charcadet, Murkrow, Misdreavus, Sneasel, Honchkrow, Sudowoodo, Grusha, Reverse Hollow Cuffent, Reverse Hollow Mismagius, and Boss's Orders Rare Hollow right here. All right, nothing special. Number 8. Okay, basic energy to start off with. Citadel, Noctli, Fuecoco, Watrel, Toxicroak, Crocolore, Pelipper, a reverse holo Artisan, reverse holo Grafaiai, and a Wigglytuff rare holo. Alright. Number 9. I think they are all, I guess they're all black borders now at this point, because it used to be that the old TCG sets, there would be a black border and white border, and usually if you find a black border, that means you found a decently rare card. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe they changed it now. Basic energy, Gothita, Marill, Wingull, Pineco, Primeape, Mismagius, Bramblegast, reverse holo Dunsparce, reverse holo Sprigatito, that's cool, and an Orthworm rare holo. Alright. Number 10. Okay, let's see what is inside this one. Basic energy, Tinkatink, Shroodle, Glimmet, Ramblin, Fletchinder, Vigoroth, Oranguru, a reverse holo Veluza, reverse holo Glimmet, and a rare holo Weavile. Okay. Number 11. Alright, starting off with basic energy. Mankey, Tinkatink, Delibird, Super Rod, Toxicroak, Crocolore, Pelipper, Nimble, reverse holo Superior Energy Retrieval, reverse, I must have skipped something, didn't I? Oh, I did. Very rusty with this, guys. Sorry about this. Bear with me. We have a reverse holo Nimble here, reverse holo Superior Energy Retrieval here, and then a Ceruledge rare holo. That's nice. Alright, number 12. And like I did with coins, I will do a recap halfway through and show you guys which cards stand out. And obviously I won't show which ones are not worth showing, so the commons, I'm not gonna show those as much. Obviously, I'm not gonna show them to you guys. Okay, basic energy, Shinx, Nimble, Mashif. You'll be hearing me do multiple pronunciations of Pokemon, and I apologize. Sorry about that. Slackoth, Electrode, Grafaiai, Zweilous, Passimian holo, Passimian reverse holo, a Quaxley reverse holo, and a Glamora rare holo. Okay, not bad. 13. Number 13. Basic Energy, Love Disc, Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Fletchinder, Vigoroth, Oranguru, Reverse Hollow Rellor, Reverse Hollow Pineco, and look at this, guys. We got a Lycanroc EX card right here. Very nice. I guess they show these in stars for rarity. So since this is a 2-star, probably not the most valuable card, but it's still a nice card to see for sure. Lycanroc EX. That's gonna go right there. All right, number 14. All right, Basic Energy, Paldea and Wooper, Pikachu, always a classic, Cuffant, Krogunk, Pincurchin, Mousehold, the Titan, Reverse Hollow Tarantula, Reverse Hollow Sandygast, and a rare Palmot. Hollow. Okay. Number 15. Kind of a rough patch here. Nothing too crazy on the finds, but sometimes that's how it goes, you know. It's the luck of the draw. That's all it is. See if number 15 can bring in some good luck. Basic Energy, Clavel, Tropius, Dunsparce, Hoppip, Electrode, Grafaiai, Pincurchin, Reverse Hollow Krogunk, Reverse Hollow Corviknight, and a Tinkaton Rare Hollow here. I did just get this not too long ago. All right, number 16. Almost halfway there. All right, let's see what we got in here. Starting with Basic Energy, Rookidee, Magnemite, Phalanx, Combee, Corviknight, the Dunsparce, Pupitar, Reverse Hollow Noctli, Reverse Hollow Practice Studio, and we have a Boss's Orders full art card right here. Very cool. Looking for the Iono specifically. That's the one I'm looking for, but I will gladly take this. That's gonna go right there. Very cool card right there. All right, number 17. One more pack, and then it'll be the halfway point. All right, Basic Energy, Paldea and Wooper, Noibat, Combee, Glammet, Zweilous, Mousehold, Titan, Reverse Hollow Super Rod. Ooh, there we go, guys. We have a Raichu full art here. Very cool. Very cool. It's a 1-star, so it's nothing too special, but still a cool card. We'll set that to the side with the other rares. And I think we have something else good here. Let's see what the last card is. Oh man. Fortress EX. and it has the Grass Terra type. It's normally a bug steel. That's cool, man. Very cool. Fortress EX Grass Terra. We'll add that card to the rare pile here. Very nice. And number 18, right here. Will we find something in this card pack here? Let's see. All right, basic water, Jigglypuff, Girafarig, Tropius, Great Ball, Faulkner, Classic, Viper, Pyroar, Reverse Hollow Crocolore, Reverse Hollow Love Disc, and just a rare Low Kicks Hollow. So that is 18 right there. Here's my 5 best cards right here. These are all my rare / reverse hollow cards that are nothing too special, so I'll add some of these to my collection here. Most of them I won't, but here we go, guys. Here's the order in which I pulled them. We got 5 nice cards right here. So this one here is a Meowscarada EX gold card right here. This is probably, let me check its rarity real quick and I'll be right back. Wow, guys, I feel like an absolute moron because this card right here is actually what they call a hyper rare or a secret rare Meowscarada EX. Hence why there's a 3-star right there. So I found a hyper rare Meowscarada EX card, which is amazing. So what I normally do is I have these sleeves here and the card saver ones here. So I'm gonna go ahead, take one of these, insert it to the sleeve here. And put it in a card saver as well. Just like so. There we go, guys. We have a hyper rare Meowscarada EX card. Very cool. Very happy to see this. I'm very much new to the new ways of the TCG for the English sets now, because they basically, for the longest time, they've been using their standard English designs, but now they've transitioned to looking more like the Japanese sets. So the rarities are basically kind of the same as the Japanese. It's just based on stars and not by letters, because they do like RR, SR, and SAR in Japan. But for us, it's the stars. So if you find a 3-star, that's the best one in the English sets. So very new to this still. Did not do any research beforehand. I should have probably, but that's okay. What I have here in front of me is a hyper rare Meowscarada, so very cool. And then this one, I'll set that right here for now. This one here is just going to be a 2-star Lycanroc EX. So this card right here is categorized as an ultra rare. The 2 stars mean ultra rare. So since this is actually pretty decent, I'll just put it in a sleeve, but I don't think I'm going to put it in a holder just yet. So there we go. Then the next card here is the Boss's Orders Full Art. Getsis, I don't know how to say that. Another ultra rare, as you can see, 2 stars, so that's an ultra rare. Put that in a sleeve for now. Not in a card saver. There we go. And this card, guys, apparently its market value is ridiculous on TCG Player. It's like $28 for this. It's a Raichu illustration rare full art card right here. And it's very weird, but personally for me, I hate the fact that the TCG has gone to a point where it's just monetized at this point, to where you can make millions and millions of dollars if you have like a base set 1 Charizard first edition. It's pretty sad how that's gone, but there we go, guys. I put it in a saver and a sleeve because of its market value being high. And then this one here is the Fortress EX Terra type. They call it a secret rare or something like that. Like a full art secret is what they say about this one. So not a bad pull. Put this in a sleeve. There we go. And these are my finds so far of the booster box. Let's go ahead and get started with the next 18 card packs and see if we can find any similar luck with those. So I'll be right back once I get ready to start the second half of this booster box. Let's get it started, guys, with number 19. Alright, starting with Basic Energy, Nimble, Rookidee, Shinx, Pikachu, Mousehold, Tingatuff, Palmo, a Farigiraf Reverse Holo, a Tandemaus Reverse Holo, and another Weavile Rare Holo right here. Alright, not off to the best start, but we still got plenty of packs to go here. Number 20. I am not the best at opening card packs too, just to let you know. Not the best. Alright, we have Basic Energy, of course, Larvitar, Sandygast, Tarantula, Charcadet, Pincurchin, Crocolore, Grafaiai, Reverse Holo, Tingatuff. Oh man! Okay, guys. We just pulled another hyper rare, and it's one of the legendaries of the game. Qian Pao EX. I apologize if I mispronounced that, but look at this, guys. Unreal. Hyper rare. Qian Pao EX. What could be behind this? Just a rare Gyarados Holo. Alright, good deal. We got a hyper rare. Love to see that. Alright, let's go on to the next. Some of these cards that I just pulled here that are rare are gonna they're probably gonna be trade fodder for the card show that I'm gonna be going to in a week and a half from now, so that'll be cool. Alright, let's go ahead and see what this one brings here. On number 21, Basic Energy, Slackoth, Watrel, Fuecoco, Bramblin, Honchkrow, Gothorita, Calamitous Wasteland, Reverse Holo Makuhita, and we have another full art, guys. Crocolore. A Crocolore full art right here. Very nice. They call it the illustration rare right here, since it's just a 1-star. And what could be behind that? Oh man! A Lycanroc EX full art. Ultra rare. It's an ultra rare. It's got the silver stars here. Very cool card. Alright. And we already have 3 nice cards on this side here. Only 3 packs in. Let's add on to that with number 22. Alright, basic energy. Murkrow, Misdreavus, Sneasel, Gothita. It's a Titan, Faulkner. Oh, going too far. The Dunsparce. A reverse hollow Talonflame. Okay. And a reverse hollow Tinkatink. And just a rare hollow Palmot. Okay. Number 23. Basic energy to start off with: Cufant, Krogunk, Zatottle, Shroodle, Primeape, Grusha, Mismagius, Slowpoke, Hollow, Reverse, Rabska, Reverse Hollow, and just a rare Hollow Ceruledge. Okay. 24. Basic energy. Marill, Wingull, Pineco, Tinkatink, Corviknight, Passimian, Viper, reverse hollow Honchkrow, reverse hollow Maschief, and a rare hollow Tyranitar. That's a nice looking card. 25. Alright, basic energy. Phalanx, Jigglypuff, Tadbulb, Girafarig, Ramblegast, Superior Energy Retrieval, Sudowoodo, a reverse hollow Noibat, reverse hollow Mismagius, and we have a Quaquaval EX right here. Very cool. I actually have pulled a Quaquaval EX from the Japanese Triplet Beat set. So now I have the English Quaquaval EX. Very cool. Super. Add that to the pile there. 26. Alright, let's see what we got. Basic energy, Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Love Disc, Paldean Tauros, Luxio, Mabostiff, reverse hollow Fuecoco, reverse hollow Florigato, and a rare hollow Lokix. Alright, not a good pack, but we'll keep on going. Number 27. Basic energy, Great Ball, Rellor, Quaxley, Tinkatink, Pelipper, Fletchinder, Toxicroak, reverse hollow Phalanx, reverse hollow Slackoth, and a rare hollow Glimora. Number 28. All right, here we go. Basic Energy. Tinkatink. Shroodle. Glammet. Bramblin. Kilowattrel. Azumarill. Vespiquen. Reverse Holo. Tropius. Ooh, there we go, guys. A Tinkatink. Illustration rare. Full art right here. Very cool. And what could be behind this one? Just the Boss's Order Rare Holo. Nothing special about this one. Alright. Number 29. Here we go. Basic Energy to start off with. Shinx, Nimble, Maschief, Slackoth, Ice Cube, Iono. I need the full art Iono though. Dang. Calamitous Snowy Mountain, Reverse Holo Snover, Reverse Holo Bravery Charm, and what's the rare gonna be? A Jump Bluff Holo. Okay. Nothing special there. Number 30. Let's see what we got in this one. Basic Energy. Dino. Sandygast. Taruntula. Murkrow. Paldean Tauros. Practice Studio. Florigato, Reverse Holo Sudowoodo, Reverse Holo Glimmora. Let's see what the rare is. It's going to be a Rabsca Rare Holo. Okay. 31. Almost done. Alright, Basic Energy. Paldean Wooper. Pikachu. Cuffant. Krogunk. Knucklestack. Corvus Artisan. Reverse Holo Larvitar. Reverse Holo Clavel. And another Tyranitar Rare Holo. Alrighty. 32. Let's see if we can make this count. Here we go. Basic Energy. Misdreavus. Sneasel. Gothita. Maschief. Quaxwell. Delivery Drone. Farigiraf. Reverse Holo Ceruledge. Reverse Holo Shinx. Hey, there we go. A Copperajah EX. Ultra rare. Right here. Nice find. I'll add that to this pile here. Alright. 33. Here we go. Basic Energy. Rookidee. Magnemite. Phalanx. Combee. Paldean Tauros. Practice Studio. Florigato. Reverse Holo Voltorb. Reverse Holo Litleo. And a rare Baxcalibur Holo. Cool. Baxcalibur looks really cool as a Pokemon. I like the design of it. 34. Basic Energy, Wingull, Pineco, Marill, Mankey, Spidops, Reversal Energy, Simeon, Reverse Hollow Zweilous, Reverse Hollow Faulkner, and a rare Slacking Hollow. 35. Alright, Basic Energy, Jigglypuff, Girafarig, Tropius, Great Ball, Quaxwell, Delivery Drone, Farigiraf, Reverse Hollow Magikarp, Reverse Hollow Marill. Oh, there we go. Wu Chain EX Ultra Rare Full Art right here. Very nice. And last but not least, number 36. Basic Energy, Frigibax, Tandemaus, Sprigatito, Magnemite, Corviknight, the Dunsparce, Pupitar, Reverse Hollow Bramblin, Reverse Hollow Tarountula, and the final card is going to be a Gyarados Rare Hollow. Alright, just completed the Paldea Evolved Booster Box. It's all finished. I'll show you guys these cards here once I get done putting these away. And we'll do a second half recap of the box and then do a full box recap at the end. So stay tuned. Let me get this all cleaned up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here we go. These are my finds of the second half from the Paldea Evolved Booster Box. So let me go over them real quick with you. I have a Chien-Pao EX Hyper Rare, Crocalor Illustration Rare, Lycanroc EX Ultra Rare, Quaquaval EX Ultra Rare, Tinkatink Illustration Rare Full Art, Copperajah EX Ultra Rare, and a Wu Chain EX Ultra Rare Full Art. I think I forgot to mention the Lycanroc EX is also a full art as well. Very nice finds of the booster box here. Let's go ahead and go over which ones are worth putting in a card saver and which ones aren't worth putting in a card saver. So this Chien-Pao EX here is definitely worth putting into a sleeve and in a card saver as well because of its hyper rarity. So let's go ahead and take care of that now. There we go. That one's in there. And then Crocalor. I'll do some research on these specific cards here and see what the market value is here and if they're worth putting in a card saver as well. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so this one here, not too crazy in value, so I think I'm just gonna put it in the binder. This one here, Lycanroc EX. Nice full art design. I really like the design of this. Not very valuable in the market today, but that's okay. Quaquaval EX is probably the least wanted for a lot of people right now. These were pretty easy to get in the triplet beat set that I purchased a little bit ago when the Japanese released that, and these must be pretty easy to find, so nothing too crazy here as far as value, but still a cool card nonetheless. Tink-a-Tink. This one's got some good value to it, so I'll put it in a sleeve for now. It'll just be a sleeve card. There you go. Caparaja EX. Again, not a very valuable card here. It's an ultra rare, but no full art or all art or anything. So it's just going to be a regular ultra rare. Still a cool find though. I'll take it. And then Wu Chain EX full art. Looks like a really nice card in person. So I actually will put this in a sleeve as well. There we go. And that's basically it for the second half, guys. Some cool finds for sure. I really like seeing hyper rares in true form here. I love the design of them, and it was a fun time opening through this booster box. And I'll be sharing you guys this in a later date, obviously. Probably about a week or two from now, when I record this. So let me go ahead and bring all the finds together and do a full box recap. Alright guys, here we go. This was a fun box. Did have some really cool finds in the end. Definitely was definitely undervalued for what I got for the box, but that's okay. It's all in good fun though, because I love opening card packs up and seeing what I can find. So let me go over my finds here for you guys real quick. I have two hyper rares here, a Qianpao EX and a Meowscarada EX. I have this Raichu illustration rare full art, which is going for a lot right now, which is why I put it into a card saver and sleeved it there. A Tink-a-Tink full art illustration rare, Wu Chain EX ultra rare, Lycanroc EX ultra rare, Boss's Orders full art ultra rare, Fortress EX full art secret rare, Crocolore illustration rare full art, Caparaja EX ultra rare, Lycanroc EX ultra rare full art, and Quaquaval EX ultra rare. So very nice pulls. Very happy to have done this for you guys. If you really liked watching me open up 36 card packs of the Paldea Evolved set, give it a thumbs up. Like I've been saying in my intro video, I won't be doing cards as much because of how expensive these things are. So you won't be seeing a lot of card pack openings on my channel for now, but maybe later down the line, it'll become a more prevalent thing, but we'll see. But anyway, if you guys like this video, I appreciate it. And let me know in the comments what your best pulls of the Paldea Evolved set is. And with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. This has been Dax Collects, and I'll catch you guys on the flip. Good luck hunting, everyone, and have a good one.